Hey guys, and happy Sunday. On today's video, I want to give you an update on the Miss Jessie's Hold Me Down Edge Control. So, if you didn't see the previous video, I will have a link to this video, but you will see me putting on this product on my edges, and I went crazy and put a lot on there, and that was not a good idea. I mean, I don't know what happened to my hair, but I know when I woke up the next day, I was looking like Krusty the Clown. Now, mind you, I put this Hold Me Down Edge Control on my edges around 8:30 or 9 o'clock at night. When I woke up the next morning, I was crusty. Now, it's 7 days later now, and this is what it looks like now. But luckily, I did take a video. Well, I did record my hair how it looked 2 days later. But mind you, my hair looked like that the next day. As the days went on, it progressively got worse. So I don't know what's in here that's making my hair do that. I don't know if I did it wrong. I don't know if I put too much in there. But I'm guessing if I use a product and if I apply it too heavily, such as a such as a edge control, I'm thinking I shouldn't have any type of problems. Did I read the directions? No. Who reads directions? But I just read the directions just now, and it didn't say anything about applying a small amount around the edges. So I'm going to show you a few clips of how the edges looked. You'll see that it was so sticky and so glued together, so clumped together. You can see it just looked real like sticky and gooey. Also, it started looking like Krusty the Clown around the edges. So I don't want to blame myself for doing that. I'm thinking that the product did it by itself, and I just, I don't know. And I don't want to give a bad review, but I do think this is the worst edge control I've ever tried. I've never tried an edge control like this before. So let's take a look at it again, just in case this is your first time seeing this video. It's clear, and it's really gunky and sticky. Smells kind of like alcohol a little bit. So what is my exact opinion about this? I still like it because it does lay down my edges or whatever, but it's crusty and it gunks up. So this is day 7, and it kind of wore away and stuff. It kind of wore off, and it's just like down to here and here. So if you're wondering how I wore my hair, I had ended up wearing a skull cap. Well, I wore my satin cap under my skull cap, and it kind of like covered this up. But I have a few photos of my hair, how it looks in daylight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this one more time, but I'm using this up because it's mine and I paid for it. But I'm going to try it again and maybe not apply so much. One of you girls was telling me they liked my previous video, which was the Miss Jessie's haul. She said that she liked everything but no to the gel, and I'm like, I'm wondering, did she know anything about this? Does she know anything about this effect it has on your edges and stuff? So luckily, I'm about to shampoo my hair and get this out and start over with a fresh head. So that is it, guys. I know this video is short, but I mean, really, what can you say for a very long time about a holding gel with muscles on the side that messed you up? You can't make it a 10 or 20 minute video talking about the same thing over and over and over. I just want to give you an update and a short review on this. So like I said, I only used it 1 week. The next day I look like Krusty the Clown. And yeah, so I recommend it. If I recommend it right now, I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you no because I didn't have a great experience with this. But I'm going to try it again. And sometimes when you use products, it works better the next time or the next time after that because you know how to apply it and how to use it. So as of right now, not so much. Maybe in the future, maybe it'll be a little bit better. And I know a lot of YouTubers get on here and give you a first review, first impressions and stuff, and that's exactly what it is, first impressions and a review at that time. You don't know how a product may work, later on down the line. Because like I mentioned before, my Wajid shampoo, I didn't like it at first. It wouldn't lather. I didn't do too well with it. But as the time went on, like after the second and third time I used it, like within a year, it worked perfectly fine. So sometimes it don't really be the product. It can be the YouTuber themselves giving just a poor review, not giving the product a chance. So I'm going to say as of now, no, because, you know, this last week has been pure crustiness. But, you know, I'll come back later on in the future and give you an update on this product. Okay, guys, that is it. I'm ready to shampoo my hair, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.